Okay, hello, welcome, it's me, Andy here, and training the right way. I'm making this because I'm a little bit pissed off. Unfortunately, DJI Studio is now crashing quite regularly for, I can only determine, being no reason whatsoever. The latest one here, I was just saving a screenshot of obviously the video, which hung, and basically this box doesn't work. You cannot wait, you cannot close, and you cannot even close the actual box itself. So the only way now is to actually use Task Manager. So unfortunately, that's what I'm going to have to do. Very, very frustrating. But we have the studio not responding. Crash pad, which is a window that says, do you want to wait? But to be honest, I haven't really got a lot running. Obviously I put the OBS Studio running now, but it wasn't running before. And now the only way out of this is to end the task and then go back in. And it will come up with a message saying, you know, you want to recover. But that's not the point. It shouldn't crash in the first place. All I'm doing is taking a screenshot. There you go. Restore. And then, fingers crossed, hope for the best, it still has the edits I've just done. We'll find out what version this is at the moment, so let me have a look. It crashed while editing as well earlier today. I can't remember exactly what I was doing, but it wasn't very difficult. I was just moving the cursor, or actually what I was doing was the zoom in and out. I was trying to zoom out. Now I don't know what it's doing because it's not loading. It should have loaded by now. My hard drive, external hard drive, is still flashing. I mean, there are a lot of files. I mean, it's 2 hours worth of video for one day. I'm nearly at the end of it as well, which is very, very frustrating. Because then, oh, it's actually 3 hours. 3 hours worth of video. Now, when I render that will take ages. That will take many hours to render out. I mean, I'm not too worried once it's out because the editing part of it is done. All I need to do is put into CapCut and put the graphics on and things like that, and it will be done. However, this part of it is slow, laborious, and very, very annoying. It doesn't, I don't know what the hell it's doing. I mean, it could be that because I've got OBS running as well. Oh, the hard drive light has stopped flashing. So I'm presuming that this is crashed. Yep, it's crashed. There we go. Do I want to end it? Yes, I do. There we go. So that was a waste of time. Let's load it again for the third time. Right, we'll load it this way. Hard drive still flashing. Oh yeah, I don't understand what this is because all the files are there. The 03 and 04. It says proxy file name. Now they are actually made by Studio. So if they're missing, I don't know where they are. It is recommended to copy LRF files, then switch to SD mode. So 003, 004. if we go and have a look, we can find those. 004, 003. Yep. So they're both there. We're already on SD mode anyway. Looks like all the files have loaded. Not sure why these are dark. Yeah, not sure. Let's try and find the end. I've done all these and it is very slow. I know my machine is not brilliant, but I've not really been having a problem with this before now. Let's zoom back in. Oh. It makes life difficult. Oh no, it's not going to crash again, is it? Hard drive flashing, yeah. Oh god, here we go. Here we go. So that's it then. As you saw what I did, I just zoomed in. And now, that basically is not going to come back. Hard drive still flashing. I don't know whether it's a good sign or not. I don't understand why it's saying about the LRF files, because they are there. Unless of course they are corrupted in some way, but then why would they get corrupted? Been editing this for all day today and also last night. Right, I'm going to have to stop this and come back. If it comes back, I'll come back and finish this video. Now, just to confirm, I've had to split the file into two and now got back in, and it's version 1.142. So this is 1.142 and the number is 25947. That's the latest version. I don't know if there's any other versions out, but this is the version with crashes. So, are there any more? Let's have a look. No. So unfortunately, it looks like this is a major issue. Meaning that I'm going to have to keep the files small. I think it's probably my machine is not very good. But up until now, I've never had an issue. Right. So there we go. It's DJI Studio crashes. If anybody from DJI is watching this, can you sort it out, please? That's it from me. Let me know what you think and if you have the same problem. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hey there. Thanks for watching that video. And YouTube seems to think that you are going to like that one. So please do watch that. And also, if you haven't done it already, subscribe. See you next time.